Welcome back to Teacher's Helper 123. I hope you're enjoying this stock series for beginners. And today we're going to be discussing support and resistance. I know we discussed it in the last video, but we're going to go into a little bit more detail so that you understand it. Have you ever noticed that stock prices sometimes stop at the same levels over and over again? Why does price suddenly bounce? And why does it struggle to move higher? And why do traders pay so much attention to these areas? Well, today we're going to learn one of the most important concepts in trading, support and resistance. Now remember from the last video, support is like a floor. Support is the price area where buyers step in and stop price from falling lower. So take a look at this chart, and can you identify the support area? Or why do you think I marked this off as the support area? Put it in the comments below. Now, when price reaches support, buyers often become more active. That buying pressure can cause price to bounce upward. So let's talk about why does support happen. Many traders see value at certain prices. When price falls into that area, more buyers may enter the market. This creates demand, and demand can push price back up. So now that we understand that support is like a floor, let's go ahead and discuss resistance. Resistance is the opposite of support. So what's the opposite of the floor? The ceiling. Resistance is like a ceiling. It's a price area where sellers step in and stop price from moving higher. As you can see in this chart, the resistance area that I mark off here, when price reaches resistance, selling pressure often increases. That pressure can push price back downward. Okay, so we're back on a daily chart. It doesn't matter what chart you use. I mean, if you like Tesla, if you like Roblox, you can use that as well. We'll draw the top here, which is our resistance. Here's something that you do need to understand. Multiple touches matter. One bounce does not make a strong support level. That's like putting down one floorboard. Now, one touch is very weak, but multiple touches are stronger. When price touches or hits a level multiple times, that level becomes very important. This shows that traders are paying attention to that level. Now, I know I showed you how to draw a line for support and resistance, but I don't want you to think of it as one line that actually has to touch that one price. I want you to think of support and resistance as a zone. A zone can represent multiple prices around the same numbers. Price may move slightly above or below before reacting. So this is Roblox, and I know I showed you how to mark off support and resistance with a line, but the best way is to mark it off as a zone, because the line, some of the points can fall through it, but if you mark it off as a zone using a rectangular box, I'll start up here, the top, all the way to the bottom. Let's change this to white so you can see it. Okay, so as you can see, we have points that touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then our support zone at the bottom, 1, 2 times. So the more points, the stronger. That's why traders focus on areas, not perfect numbers. So let's discuss what a breakout means. Sometimes price breaks through resistance and it may explode above resistance. We call that a breakout. So as you learned in the previous video, a consolidation is prices moving back and forth through a small zone, and then it breaks out to the upside. Chart, and it consolidated for four years, January 20th all the way to 2024, and this move right here is the breakout. A breakout can happen when buyers become stronger than sellers. Traders often watch for strong candles and increased volume during breakouts. So just remember that a breakout is breaking through the resistance or through the ceiling. Now, a breakdown is breaking through the support. So price can also break below support, so it can fall through the floor. This is called a breakdown. So take a look at this chart, and this is an example of consolidation, and it broke that consolidation or the support and broke down. Now, a breakdown can happen when sellers become stronger than buyers. Now, one of the most important concepts in trading is called role reversal. That means when resistance flips into support and support may flip into resistance, vice versa. Sometimes old resistance becomes new support. And here's an example of what I mean. This is the Apple chart, and it looks like here, this is resistance, and then it breaks out and comes right back down, and it becomes support. So what I would expect is if Apple ever came back here, it would bounce again. And the opposite is true for support. Now, price may break support and it'll come back. We call that a retest. It'll come back in support. It will come back and test the support zone and reject. This happens because trader behavior changes around important price levels. Now, I want you to note not every breakout is real. The breakouts that come right back into the consolidation zone, we call that a test. So you may see it as the price breaks that level and then reverses. Sometimes price moves above resistance, then quickly falls back down. This is called a false breakout or a fake out. That's why traders often wait for confirmation, and we'll discuss confirmation in another video in the future. Professional traders do not just use one clue. They put it all together like a puzzle. They use candles, volumes, supports, trends, and they look for patterns. They combine support and resistance, candles, and put all that together. One candle does not confirm a trend, and one breakout does not guarantee price will continue. Support and resistance help traders understand where buyers and sellers may react. These levels help traders identify possible bounces, possible reversals, and possible breakouts. The market is really a battle between buyers and sellers, and support and resistance help us see where the battle is happening. The more charts you study, the easier it becomes to spot these important levels. And remember, learn first, trade later. Be sure to check out my previous videos and stay tuned for the rest of this series so that you'll have a greater understanding of the stock market. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.